Can you see who views your Instagram profile? This is a common question asked by a lot of users, and in this short video, I'll show you simple ways to see who visits your Instagram profile. Have you ever wondered who's checking out your Instagram profile? Maybe it's a crush, a potential client, or someone you're curious about. Wouldn't it be amazing to know who's viewing your profile to gain valuable insight into your audience and see who's genuinely interested in your content? While Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature that lets users see who views their profile due to privacy policies, there are methods to track who engages with your content, and we'll go over these now. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar Instagram challenges, including tracking interactions and maximizing account insights. Stay with me until the end to discover how to see who views your Instagram stories. Now, let's get started on how to see who stalks your Instagram. The first step is switching to a professional account, which allows access to more in-depth insights, enabling you to better analyze user interactions with your content. To start, head over to your Instagram profile. Tap the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. Select Account Type and Tools. If you see Switch to Professional Account, select it. After reading the presentation, tap Continue at the bottom of the page. Next, select the category that best describes you. From the many options, select the subcategories you'd like to appear under, then tap Done. You can select more than one. Based on your selection, select either Business or Creator. Both are free and offer the same insights, then tap Next. Hit Next, then follow the on-screen to finalize. Upgrading to a professional account unlocks features that help monitor audience engagement and activity. By this, you've upgraded your account. Now it's time to set the trap to expose those that visit your Instagram profile. To do so, go to your profile screen on Instagram. Tap on the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Select Insights from the menu options. Here, you can view how many users have viewed your account, engaged with your account, and the total number of your followers. You can also see insights into each of your posts. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue. So how do you see who viewed your Instagram stories? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to see who views your Instagram stories and videos even after 24 hours. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.